Hi guys, so another week, another drag look, the bonnet's back in town. So this week's drag look is inspired by, if you didn't guess in the last video, the legendary, the legendary Naomi Smalls. While I was shuffling around and looking, I was like, actually, I want to do this look. So I'm going to put concealer around my eyebrow and create the shape that way and then fill it in that way. Maybe when I put the eyebrow gel on, it will help out. What I should have done before I started, I should have did the eyebrow gel first, so all the hairs would be flat, and then started drawing. Alright, I'm back, but you know how I said you should put the eyebrow gel in first? Don't do that, because you can see where my toe is because I've given it more texture, and this side is a bit more hidden. And maybe lesson learned, I'll stick to doing my eyebrows how I normally do it, and everything else will be drag. The thing is, the eye look itself is not actually that hard. It's just literally an over-exaggerated cut crease, as most of these are. Okay, and then I'm going to put some eyebrow gel in it, and then I should be done. Yeah! Blended it in, and now you can see where my natural tail ends. I'm not gonna swear, I'm not gonna get angry. Just gonna carry on. Oh, you can see it a little bit on the other side, but when I put my hair on, I'll cover that. We'll see. Oh no. You can still see the tail. And I'm okay. Let me start with the pink eye. I think I'm going to use my September Rose palette for this. Eye base on. Alright. Okay, we can start the eye now. Oh, I was struggling with these brows. Never again. At least I've learned my lesson. So, alright, so I'm going to start the pink eye. Use a cleaner brush. And then we're just going to use cotton candy and put it up in the crease area. Yeah, that's the right pink. Because I tried to use pink lemonade and that was too dark. We're going for a baby pink sort of look. As I learned previously, you do the liner first and then, oh no. I'll cut the crease first and then I'll do the liner and then the glitter. So, liner down. You see me do cut crease, like this cut crease quite a few times, so I'll just speed it up and then I'll be back. Okay, that's the cut crease done. I'm just going to build up the pink around it a little bit so it's a bit more intense. They do their liners quite big, don't they? Yes! I was saying yes because I'm rubbish at liners. Yeah, that's huge. Okay. But it's actually a neat... Okay. Before I get overexcited. Okay. It's time for glitter! Okay, so I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Brilliance in Rose. And put that all over that area there. Yeah, glitter primer. Put it all over the area where the cut crease is. Because there's quite a lot, I'm going to take quite a lot of it. There we go. This is a good liner. I'm really like, guys, honestly, I know the last 2 times on camera I've done liner, it did come out really well, but I'm terrible at liner. This is going to take a while. Ooh, not a lot fell on the floor. Technique. And they're going to prom looking flames. Like, I looked okay, but I looked like a kid playing dress up. But I suppose that's what you're supposed to look at prom. You're not supposed to look like a grown woman, I guess. But it's just now you're just like, oh, I could have looked so much better. Like, yeah, I even wore a pink dress, and like for me, I'm like, pink. Why did you wear pink? But the dress is nice, and I didn't want to wear. I didn't want to wear the. I think it was like a purple, like blue and purple version of it, and I thought that's so expected because obviously blue's been my favorite color forever. So let me do something different, a bit more girly. Yeah, I regret that. I'm really trying to gather a technique to this whole glitter thing, but it's just going everywhere. Where's the original brush I used? This might be a bit big, but yeah, I'm going to try and soften out the edge. And then clean up my liner. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye, and what I'm going to do is, because obviously it's different colours and I want to show you how to do it, and I'll show it to you, but it'll be sped up, but I'll show you like the colour I use and everything. And yeah, make sure your base is blended out before you get started. So I'm going to use different brushes, my Spectrum ones. Okay. Just going to do the same as I did on the other eye, just lather the glue all over where the cut crease is. Oh, guys, let me know in the comments if there's just one eye that you always do, that you always struggle with. Because this is the eye I always struggle with. It may be my own fault because I always start with this eye first, so I see how it's supposed to go over there and then I try and recreate it. Right, what did I just do? Then go into the teal colour. I forgot, before I do my base, I just put concealer down so they match up a bit better. I just need to deepen up the outer part of my eye. Okay, so I'm just going to do my base and then I'll be right back. I'm going to do it with my sponge this time. So I literally got powder everywhere when I did it with a brush. Still gonna get powder everywhere with this, but not as much. Oh, I used a different foundation today. I used my MAC one, Studio Sculpt SPF 15 foundation in the shade NC50. That's what I used in my base. And now, I know I said in my first ever video, I was talking about it. Now I remember why I don't use it. It's not as long lasting as the Fenty one. So it's like, you know, when you get hot in the day and things, it starts separating. And you can tell that it's been on for a long time. That's the main thing that I don't like about it. Otherwise, the match and the colour is really good. Getting everywhere. Okay. Into the skin. I look dry, but I don't look like I have jaundice. That's cool. Some moisture back to my skin. Yeah, that's a lot better. I can literally feel all the dry spots in my face just absorbing it all. Dry skin problems. I really ruined this eye. Just take pictures further back. Yeah, because from here it doesn't look too bad. But don't come too close. I think I'm going to use my Revolution brush actually. Blush. And use that colour here. Okay. And then I am going to highlight. I'm not going to put any extra product, I'm just going to swirl it. Pinky side. Yes, I'm going to use Richie and I'm going to use Cake, and we'll see how that turns out. We're going to overline the lips as usual. Yeah, so I'm back. So while I was away, I put my lashes on, and I'm not giving you any close-ups because, yeah. So let's do the lower lash line. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to put some white eyeliner on each eye. Mascara. Alright, here's the final look. It's a bit stressed, but we're done. I've never been so happy to be done with something before in my life. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.